So 20 years ago, I skated for 24 hours solo in a loop to break the world record for most distance skated in a day. Well, you want to have we have 3 times to be sure we're accurate. The representation of, timing it and counting every lap. So we have documentation that's 3 times through to make sure it's clear. I towed the line with my skates and listened to the countdown, pressed the button to start my heart rate monitor, and the head official blew his whistle. I was off on a grand adventure.
What's your name?
Max.
Okay. What do you think about Kent skating like this?
It's very cool. Go
Kent! Go Kent! Go Kent! Go Kent! Go Kent! Go Kent!
I think it's cool. I think it's really cool.
It's so setting world record.
It's amazing. I can't believe he goes that fast.
Yeah. He's crazy of speed.
You crazy of speed?
Oh,
really?
I think he's tired.
You think he's tired? Why do you think he's tired?
Because I think he woke up early. I don't know.
Yeah, he
woke up really late. And he's been doing this for so long. And if he keeps it up, he's going to break the world record. And soon he'll be famous. He'll be on all television shows. Yeah.
When it comes to making a decision to do something of this nature, a 24-hour event, or to do any endurance event for that matter, you have to have a mindset to say, there's a mountain, I want to climb it. I'm here actually to help Kent Baake attempt and hopefully make the world's record attempt and skate about 330 miles for one day. That's what I'm here for. Part of my job is to not let him get off his skates until he finishes this dang thing.
Looking good! You got sexy legs!
So what did Kent used to do as a little boy?
Well, when he was a kid, he was active in scouts. He played a little soccer. We always tried to keep him involved in outdoor activities, but certainly nothing we did had this kind of level of physical characteristics. But so we were kind of surprised to see him get this involved in this kind of stuff. But it really seems to work well for him. It's fun being supportive.
Sunshine, nice weather, and things like that. I was talking with one of the neighbors, and he's a pilot, and he said the longest he ever did was 15 and a half hours, and he said if if the last couple of hours was during darkness, he said you got tired, more than you would if there was the sun coming up and there a little bit of daylight, that really does make a difference. And I said, well, then I'm glad they scheduled it the way they did, and that it was a good decision.
I had to keep it together and work hard, but mentally I was ready for this moment, ready to see it through to the end. Each time up the rise, I skated as hard as I could without cramping, and at the finish line, I watched on the board the countdown of laps to when I would be over and into world record territory.
I think it's wonderful. That's why I supported him before. He's very much like my father. Physical person, out of doors, just needs to keep going. He bikes and climbs and runs and canoes and was a volunteer fireman in college.
Many neighbors came out in the middle of the night with signs to cheer me on. Many kids joined also in the chorus, some of them camping out all night.
So far so good. Let's go over and see how Kent's doing. I got the easy part. I get to sit in the truck the whole time.
Well, what he does right now is taking, I believe, his second break and changing the wheels. He's going to be going through maybe 2-3 sets of wheels doing this. So changing the wheels, they're actually doing a very, very fast job of this, and they're testing the spin action, making sure that they tighten it up. They do a pretty good job, and that it is a really, really good spin on this. Later on, probably changing the bearings as well.
Right now, what we're doing is we're regassing the Jeep so that we can file Kent while he's trying his world record attempt. And we got to do it within 3 minutes so we can get going. On that side. No, the other side. Yeah.
pretty tired. I don't believe he's doing it. But we'll see how we do.
Pull up. Okay. Thank you. I'm good.
You're good.
No problem. Okay, handbrake's on, it's in neutral.
I got the brake.
And by the way, when you finish, we put you on the table.
Yeah. Track out. See what's going on. I'm gonna hold up. You're on schedule.
I won't lose you.
You won't lose me.
Do we want any electrolytes? Do you need anything at all, Ken?
All right, Ken, come on, let's go. One more.
Kent right now, he's really kind of pumped up. He's been doing good. He's been doing consistent, like almost 5-minute lap times. And so he's working his way. He's on his way to getting it. It looks like he's going to break the record at about 5:40 p.m. And then from 5:40 to 6 o'clock is gravy. How often do you get to see one of your friends break the world record?
We're going to a softer wheel. It's probably going to go ahead and spread onto the road a little bit. Instead of carving into the road, it'll cause a little less friction. Let them glide on the road a little bit more. There will be a little bit of a spread on the wheel, which will also cause a surface friction, but it's better than cutting into the asphalt in the heat.
Yeah, I guess came home yesterday and saw the roadblock things up, so got kind of interested in what was going on. Came down here, talked to a few people, and kind of through the night, I wasn't up. I could hear everybody cheering because I'm right down the street here. And this morning I got up and came out to make sure everybody was still cheering. So now I think we're out here for support and hopes that he'll break the record.
Just fantastic what he's done.
Oh, it's awesome. I mean, he has such support and all of the kids are really excited and he's setting such a wonderful example. We're very pleased about it.
Jim, what happened?
Well, Ken just broke the world record for 24-hour skating. He's still got time to go. He's got about 25 minutes left. All right, we're gonna start.
All right, Ken, way to go, buddy. You are smoking it. You're smoking it.
Hey, Paula. Spray him like this. That's it.
Yeah, you're smoking on the last day, man.
I pushed hard.
Donuts!
Really appreciate everybody's support because it really meant a lot to me. There's no way I could have done it without the friends who volunteered and all of you guys supporting, making signs. There must be like a dozen signs all over the neighborhood. And I really appreciate it. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right, you're all set here.
He's gonna break the world record, and soon he'll be famous. He'll be on all television shows.
April 28th, 29th, 2001. All right, it may be valuable someday, so hold on to it. I took away that if you set your mind after something, even if you have failures, you can still overcome the failures and learn from the failures and find success if you put forth a lot of effort and keep focused.
Especially with that was perfect.
Hey, I've got my skates. Can I show them to you?
Yeah, sure. Do you want to try on your skates now? I mean, how long has it been?
My gosh, well, the world record was 20 years ago. It's probably been 10 or 15 years since I put these on. Oh, well, look, I've even got these gloves that I put extra friction-y items on and help push on my legs for extra arm power. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I could see if they could still fit. Still rolling.